Laminex PureGrain features a true-to-life painted woodgrain look finish. This premium surface requires some extra attention in order to maintain its textured look over time. The woodgrain texture can be concealed by oils from cooking and residue from certain cleaning products. Fingerprints will be particularly noticeable on dark colours. For everyday cleaning, use a mild dishwashing detergent diluted in warm water. Simply dab and wipe away. And finally, wipe down with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Scouring pads or abrasive cleaners should not be used, as they will damage the surface. For stubborn oily marks and fingerprints, use methylated spirits and a clean microfiber cloth. If streaky marks appear, or if you've accidentally used the wrong cleaning product and the grain texture seems to have disappeared, simply use Windex spray cleaner to remove and dry with a clean microfiber cloth. Download the full care and maintenance guide at laminex.com.au.